Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make this two-tone bralette. Firstly, you would need a crochet hook of your choice. I'm using a 4.5mm hook. You can use smaller or you can use bigger. You want to create a slip knot and you want to chain 13. So just go ahead and chain 13 chains. Once you've got your 13 chains, you want to go into the stitch from your hook and single crochet all the way back down. So you should have a total of 12 when you go back. Once you get to the end of that row, the last stitch, what you want to do is insert your hook and you want to insert 2 single crochets. So you would have a total of 3 and you can just go around with single crochets as normal. Once you get to the end, you chain 1 and then you single crochet in that first stitch and just go back as seen in the video. So you just want to single crochet till we get right at the top. So the stitch where we had 3 single crochets, you want to insert another 3 single crochets. So it looks quite different from the other stitches. It's more curvy at the top, so that tells you it's time to single crochet 3 in that space. And then all you do is once you've single crochet 3 in that space, you just want to single crochet all the way back down until you get to the end. And then when you get to the end, you chain 1 and go all the way round. Yeah, and you just single crochet till you get to the top where you have 3 single crochets in 1 stitch. And so you keep creating this until you get to the size of your choice, and then I'm going to show you how I create the shell design on the cup. So you just want to insert your hook, you want to chain 2, and then so the first stitch from your hook, you want to double crochet 3 times into that stitch. So we're going to have 3 double crochets into that first stitch. Once you have your 3 double crochets in that first stitch, you want to single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Once you've done that, in the 4th stitch, you have your 3 double crochets in 1 stitch. So that's basically the pattern, just 3 double crochets, and then you want to single crochet in the next 3 stitches. In the 4th stitch, you double crochet 3 times. Once you get to the top, you just want to double crochet as normal, so your 3 double crochets. Then you want to chain 2 and then you want to do another 3 double crochets in that same stitch. So you have a total of 6, as you can see in the video. So I've just chained 2 and then I'm going to do another 3 in that same stitch. So this is when you get to the top of the cup, and this is where we would usually chain 3 double crochets. So you should have something like this. And once you do that, you just go back as normal, single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then in the 4th stitch, you double crochet 3 times. And once you finish that, that's literally the pattern, and then you can fasten off. So you will need to create another cup. Just watch the video, watch this part again, watch the video again if you've forgotten how to make it, and you can make a second cup. And yeah, I made mine off camera. To create the bottom part of the bralette, you want to crochet a chain that's long enough to fit your underbust. So just measure yourself once you crochet that chain. And then you want to chain 2 and go back using double crochet. So for the base, we're just going to use double crochets to start with. Once you get to the end and you've done your double crochet, you want to chain 2. And then you flip over your work, and then we start the shell design. So you want to go into that stitch from your hook, the first stitch, and we will be crocheting using double crochets. We will be doing 6 double crochets in that first stitch. Once you've done your 6 double crochets in that stitch, see, you start to get the shell, and all you want to do is single crochet in the next 3 stitches. The only difference from the cup is this is 6, the cup was 3. So literally you want to double crochet 6 into the 4th stitch and single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and that will be the pattern. So once you've done your 6 double crochets in that next stitch, you want to single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then just like that, the 4th stitch, you want to double crochet 6 times in that stitch and single crochet in the next 3 stitches till you get to the end. Once you get to the end, all we're going to do is chain 2 again, and we're going to flip over our work. Now this is a bit different. You have to count 3 from your hook, and then once you count 3 from your hook, you want to double crochet 3 times in that stitch. And instead of doing 6, what we're going to do is we're going to chain 2 after 3 double crochets, and we want 3 double crochets in that same stitch again. So it is a total of 6, but this time, once we've double crocheted 3 times, we chain 2 and we do another 3 double crochet in that same stitch. And then you skip to the 4th and do the exact same thing. And this is literally the pattern. It's very easy once you get your head around it, and that's all you need to do till you get to the end. So once you finish, it should look like this. If it doesn't look like this, then you might have gone wrong somewhere. Just go back and rewatch the video. But yeah, so we will be joining them together now. Just line it up as you see in the video. So the bottom of your cup to the top of the bottom design. So you want to just pull through your yarn, and we will be doing a slip stitch, and then all you want to do is single crochet. So we will be using single crochets to join it together. Some people like to use slip stitches. This is okay as well, but my preference for this is single crochet. So I'm just inserting my hook, I'm pulling through, and I'm just gonna single crochet all my way to the end. Once you get to the end of the first cup, to join the other cup, you don't need to, fasten off. Just insert your hook into that cup, and then you want to pull through with the yarn from the previous cup and just slip stitch, and then you want to insert your hook into the cup and just single crochet like you've been doing for the first cup. So you just want to keep single crocheting, and then you just kind of get the hang of it, and it's just so easy. Just keep doing that till you get to the end. Once you get to the end, you should have something like this. It looks so beautiful, and if you turn over, you can see how neat the single crochet is on this bralette. So now we're just going to attach the straps. This is very easy. You just want to attach your yarn, and I'm going to be doing single crochets. This can be as long as you want, but I like to chain around 80. If you want it longer, you can chain more. And for this, I would also be going back using single crochets just to make the strap thicker. This is optional, you don't have to do it. So I've done it off camera, and I went back using single crochets. I'll also be doing the same at the sides. I'll be attaching my yarn, and I'll just be chaining a chain that's long enough for me. I like to chain 100 for my sides, but this is completely up to you. If you want it longer, you can do that as well. And you can go back using single crochets as shown in the video. And so this is what it looks like. You can do that to the other side as well. I've done mine off camera, and yay, this is how you make a bralette. I decided to line the bottom, and I decided to just put like a thing in the middle, but this is completely optional. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you.